Guys, here's a review of this. This is Well Pure Pressed Juice. This was at the local grocery store. It was on sale. Orange juice, but if you look here, it is Well Juicery fresh pressed. So here's the nutrient panel. Just has orange juice, no water added to it. So we're gonna do a quick taste test. So let's open this up. All right, so I've opened it. It smells like regular orange juice, but let's do a quick taste test. It's okay. It tastes like regular orange juice, literally. Not that impressive. Doesn't taste like, you know, really good orange juice or anything fresh pressed or anything like that. But it tastes like it's from concentrate. So, all right. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Maybe just slightly sweeter. That's about it.